In a twist of cosmic humor, imagine if zodiac signs were pets. Aries, with their fiery spirit, would chew through everything in sight, while Taurus would demand the comfiest spot on the couch and nap all day. Picture Gemini as that playful puppy, juggling two chew toys, bringing endless chaos and laughter. Meanwhile, the serene yet quirky Pisces would dreamily chase after a flickering light, completely oblivious to the world around them. Leos would strut around with a plush crown, sure that they're the royalty of their household. Each pet would amplify their owner's traits, leading to even more amusing behaviors. So what's her zodiac pet doing today?